Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Lisa. If this happens to be your first time visiting, thank you so much for joining me today. On my channel, I focus on luxury, fashion, beauty, fragrance, and travel. So if you happen to like or love any of those things, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and become part of my YouTube family here. So as many of you guys know, I recently had a birthday on September 4th, and I wanted to thank each and every one of you who happened to wish me a happy birthday here on YouTube or Instagram or text message or wherever. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. And I wanted to share with you guys some of my birthday gifts, and so that the video is not too long, I decided to separate them into separate videos depending on the category, so just stay tuned for the different videos. And I'm not going to do a bunch of actual unboxings just to save time, and most people already know what the packaging looks like for most of these things. Things I will do kind of an unboxing on are things that places that I haven't purchased from before, so that I can actually see for myself. Anyway, let's just get started. This video is going to be about accessories and SLGs and a little bag that I picked up. Let's get into it. All right, so let's see what I want to choose first. I'm going to open this, and this right here actually is not an actual purchase. Well, I did purchase it, but it's not something I got for my birthday. I've actually had it for a while, and basically I had it monogrammed. I've had this since 2017, I believe, but I wanted to get it monogrammed. I just never did. And so this is what it is. They were just nice enough when I picked it up to put it in a bag and a box. So this is what it is. It's a passport holder. It is a Mon Monogram passport holder, and as you guys know, light blue is my favorite color. This is in the Damier Graphite print, part of the men's line, but I absolutely love these colors. I love black and gray. So yes, I love it. And I got it Mon Monogram with the two blue stripes, light blue and like this turquoise blue. I could have gotten my initials in a color or whatever I wanted up here, but I didn't do that because I was going to get a separate company to do a special screen print, like an airplane and something, I don't know. But then I heard bad reviews about it, like people were saying that it was peeling off and all this stuff, so I decided against it. So anyway, I decided to finally get it monogram with my initials. As you can see, the inside, I chose light blue. You can get customized with whatever color you want, so I chose light blue, of course, and it has 3 card slots here. It has Louis Vuitton Paris in silver, and then I got my initial stamped here. So it has OCA. This is actually my actual government name instead of LCA, because I wanted it to match my passport name. It just has a slot right here where you can put your passport, and then the separate slot right here where you can put other items or bills or whatever you want to put in it. So just happy to have this finally monogram with my initials on it. So next I have an actual purchase, and this is also from Louis Vuitton. This is a card holder, and yes, it is also from the men's line. As you can see, it is from the monogram eclipse print, and this is actually like my favorite Louis Vuitton print. I love it, even though it's from the men's line. I wish they would make women's SLGs and bags in this, but of course they won't, so I have to filter to the men's side of the coin, and I'm totally here for it. So anyway, this is a card holder. It's a little bit larger than your average card holder, as you can see, and that's basically the reason I wanted it. So it has 3 card slots here, and then it has another pocket here that you can put other cards in or whatever else you want to put in here. It has another slot here that you can put bills or receipts or other cards in. And then it also has a zipper with silver hardware, and then this zipper pull which has LV on it, and then it opens so you can actually put coins in here or other bills, or maybe you want to put a key in here, whatever you want to put in here. So I like it that it's very functional, and it's like a card holder along with, you can put coins in it and other things, and it's a little bit larger. So that's specifically why I wanted it, and I think it will be very functional in my collection. The next few things I actually purchased online, and I don't know which one is which. So I have these two boxes here, and my YouTube sisters were nice enough to give me a gift card, and so this is what I purchased with them with one of the boxes. They're both from Dior. And this one, that looks like this, and I don't know which one is which, so I'm gonna take a chance just by the packaging that this is this. And yeah, it has to be. Okay, so as you can see, this one, I just want to show you the packaging. It has an envelope here from Dior, and I assume this is just my receipt and return delivery slip if I want to return it. And then it comes in this cute little bag with this cute little star on it. So it says Dior in gold, and then it has this cute little star on it that says Dior. How cute. I love stars. And then this ribbon has Dior on the writing in gold. So that's nice because it's normally gray, and this actually says Dior on the top in gold. Love, love, love the packaging. The reason I wanted to kind of unbox this is to show you the difference in the different packaging on the Dior website. So, like I said, this is what I decided to purchase with my gift card from my YouTube sisters. It is a Mitzah scarf, and it has my initial on it, an L for Lisa. I love the print. It has a black L with this little heart on it, and that is the pattern on it. Kind of has like a face, and what does this say? It says Labyrinth, and I love it. So that's the pattern. And black and gray, love, love, love black and gray, especially for the fall or basically any time. I love that color scheme, and that's what it looks like. So it has Christian Dior on this side, and then it says Labyrinth on the other side at the bottom here. So love this. I can put it on a bag. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it. I can put it around my neck, and I don't know, it's just so cute. So yeah. Anyway, that is my gift from my YouTube sisters. That's what I decided to spend my gift card on. So thank you so much, ladies. I love, love, love it. Let's see what else we got. I think this is what I think it is. And there you go, Dior. I said I wasn't gonna do unboxings, but I just wanted to show you guys the difference. So, okay, Dior website is a little confusing. I think I've told you guys that before. So they have different sections I've figured out. It's all on the same website, but as you guys can see, the packaging comes with Dior in gray lettering in this one, and this is from the beauty side of the website, even though it's actually on the same website. This one has CD on this little sticker here, and as you can see there are 3 items in here, and as you can see, I purchased another one of these, but this one has different packaging. This one has the Dior in gray on the front, and then it has a clear top with Dior here engraved on the top of it, as opposed to this one that has the Dior in gold on the top, like so. Let's see what we got. This one is another Mitzah scarf, but this one has a different initial, the last letter of my last name, and I love this one. It's also in black, and it has this pattern on it. This is the Amour Mitzah scarf. So this one has this cute little heart on it, and this is the pattern on this one, just kind of like little hearts and different little pictures on it, and I just really liked it. I like the colors, and like I said, it has the last initial of my name, and then it says Christian Dior here, and then on this part it says Amour. So I just thought that was cute, and I love it. Okay, so let's see what else we get in here. On the beauty part of the website, you can actually order different samples. They actually give you samples with your order, as opposed to the more exclusive part of the website. And you can actually order these Mitzah scarves on both sides, but it's not really clear. So this is part of the beauty and fragrance part, just because it says you can spritz these with fragrance and wear it that way. So they gave me a sample of the Miss Dior Eau de Parfum and the Miss Dior Absolute Blooming. So I got those 2 samples. And then there is another box here. So let me see how you open this. Okay, oh, it has a cute little mirror. I didn't know that. So it has this cute mirror, and then inside are 2 mini lipsticks, and let's see what color they are. So one is a beautiful red, and then the other one is another red. I don't know if they're the same color. They are the same color. So anyway, I have 2 mini red lipsticks, so that's cute. That was a gift with purchase, a free gift with purchase. So that's the difference that you get from ordering off the beauty side versus the more exclusive side. So you get samples and sometimes free gift with purchases with that side. Let me just see if I can tie this in a little bow so it can be a little bit more refined and elegant. All right, so anyway, my next item came in this box, and it's from a place that I've never purchased anything from, and it's from The RealReal. So they actually have a physical location here in Los Angeles. I've actually been in the store but never purchased anything from them. It's in West Hollywood on Melrose Avenue, and it comes with this little envelope that says The RealReal on it. On the back just has a little slogan, "Don't buy much, but be sure what you buy is good," by Christian Dior. And then inside it has some other writing, and I assume this is my receipt. This is what it looks like on the inside, and I can see, obviously, since the box is kind of small, there's no original box, and it doesn't look like there's actually a dust bag for the actual brand. But anyway, so it says The RealReal. They gave you their own dust bag, and this is what I got. It is the Gucci Marmont wallet on chain in black, and it has this GG on the back, brushed gold hardware on the front. I really like it so far, and this is just an item that kind of fills a void of bags that I currently own. I don't own a smaller black like clutch type bag, and I do have a few other wallets on chain, mostly by YSL in a blush pink and a silver, but I don't have a classic black, and I was really missing that. So I'm just really happy to have this. The bag looks like it's in really good condition. I just didn't want to buy or pay for this full retail price for some reason. I don't know, I guess I could have, but I just didn't want to. And this one showed up, so I purchased it and I love it. So this one has 8 card slots here, another 8 card slots. That's a lot of card slots. I don't even carry that many cards with me, but a total of 16 card slots. It has the separate different open compartments here. It has a zippered compartment that you can put other things in, and it also has a gold chain. And what I liked about this is that you can actually take the chain all the way off if you wanted to. It has this little ring here with this little hook. You can just slip it out of the hook and take it completely off, or you can obviously just carry it with the chain inside, and then if you get tired, you know, carry it as a clutch. And if you get tired of doing that, you can just whip the chain out and carry it full length as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody bag. And the other thing I loved is that you can also double up the chain by putting it under the flap, and then you can carry it over your shoulder like a little shoulder bag or like a little baguette. So you have different options with this bag, and that's what I love about it. So now I have filled this little void in my closet of having a smaller black bag, like if I want to go out to a lounge and I want to be kind of hands-free, or have a clutch like if I wanted to wear it to a wedding, a more dressier occasion. I do have my Fendi baguette, but this one is a little bit smaller, maybe a little bit. I kind of view that one more casual, and this one can be kind of dressed up and kind of dressed down. So anyway, really love this. Glad to have it in my collection. So this is the very last thing that I have to share with you guys on this video. Like I said, I will have some other videos sharing my other birthday gifts with you guys, so definitely stay tuned or be on the lookout for those. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to share with you guys my birthday gifts. And if you are new here or haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do so, and you can always click the little bell below so you'll be notified each time I happen to upload a video here. Thanks again for watching and hanging out with me. Have an amazing, amazing week and an amazing day, you guys, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.